So hello guys, welcome to the video presentation of stockworthy, your day-to-day life chat buddy, built by Group 32 for their final IR project. So basically, what are we doing? So stockworthy is an app where you put your crazy ideas and see how they would impact your basically very famous company stock prices. Let's just take an example. Let's say iPhone 15 is launching, and you want to see how launching of iPhone 15 is impacting the stock prices of Apple, or you are having 30k, so how much you should spend on buying stocks of Google, or what would be the possibilities of stock prices of GS when they do layoffs. So there are so many ideas which you could see. So what we are doing is we are taking the inputs. Basically, we are taking your name, email, and what you want to say. We are taking your name and email because we want to contact you in future if we have major updation or we are launching our websites. We are hosting it. It's a very beta phase testing right now, and based upon your input we create some output. Our output is based upon the new data sets collected from various news articles, which I would show you later, as well as some of the news articles. So these news articles will be get updated with each and every output. So yeah, what I was talking about, I was talking about the companies and the data insights. So if I go to the companies, as the major companies that we are covering, ranging from American Express to Coca-Cola and Apple and Microsoft. And for the data insights, so we have Google News data, where we collect news articles, we web scrape them, we clean them, and then after cleaning it, uh, we basically pre-process it. And we have our news API and YouTube data sets as well, and our combined data sets is about 4,000 different news articles, which is pretty much for 2 months. So here are team and what we are doing. So let me just go over our basic presentation and outflow so that these so welcome to the stock worthy. So as I told you, problem statement. Uh, so these are the some of the basics literature surveys we did to build our projects. So we have seen various like researches has been done, various data models, various ML and DL models have been tried on predicting the values of the stocks on the basis of the news articles. And surprisingly, these things have not been adapted in the industry yet. So it's kind of a loophole that we recognize that is adding to our novelty as well. So we are using the results of these literature surveys, as well as including various other factors not included here, like sorry, uh, like including micro factors from gold prices, crude oil, and apart from that, using your sentiments. So here our proposed solution, we are linking this thing. So we are initially web scraping all our data sets, cleaning it, and passing to the sentiments, doing the sentiment analysis, generating a BM25, and based upon your input, we take values from our LSTM model. We take values of the various major, not major micro factors, and our news and elements predict some values. And using your predictions as well as your input, we tokenize some of the phrases to the BARD API to generate some of the suggestions what you should do. And so yeah, our novelty comes in using macro factors, sequencing models with LSTM, and as well as your Finbird and random forest, and using interactive user interfaces with personalized news feeds and confidence scores for predictions. So data pre-processing analysis. So we collected our data sets, we did macro factors, we generated for the news articles and the YouTube links, their emotion intensity, their covariance gap, and how these are things being generated. So the basic methodology that I have been explaining and babbling for a while now. So here are Gemini 8 and BM25 integrations. So here are some of the results. Pretty much these are the idea concepts used. So let me just show the output. So let me just put in my name, my email ID. As I told you, we need to get your name and input. And okay, let me just write something. Key hi, I am working as intern I want to invest some money given impact of COVID. Where should I invest? GS or BA? So that's so I have given like, okay, I have given some of the COVID scenarios. I'm working as an intern, so yeah, that shows कि okay, I have very few money to invest. So let's see, where should I put? Okay, something has been generated. Let's see. Okay, my result has changed here. So okay, so they have shown me the graph of the GS. Okay, no graph. Okay, and if we see here, they're saying is price of B is this, where the confidence level score, which has not been used earlier, they just say कि the price value will be this, but they don't say how sure they are. And they have 7.53% increase, and similarly for GS 7.92 increase, and they are saying as well, so given they are positive and given the COVID-19 pandemic which I give, so they can be something innovations. So we should kind of not see that. And now some of the news, which articles? Okay, so they are saying some of the pandemic news articles, panic and possibilities of working in AI. Okay, so it's a news article for, let me see, it's an open AI news article about AI as well as your GS. Okay, so it's relevant to the how there's a market scarcity of jobs and how these things are being dicey in the tech industries, and some of the news about BA as well, about how from their profile management. So yeah, links been changed based upon my input. So yeah, if I have to summarize, this was a stockworthy where we generate your day-to-day life predictions about stocks and suggest you where you should put money based upon your risks. Thank you.